Moving on, and Google has rejected claims that one of its programs had advanced so much that it had become sentient. He is saying that after hundreds of interactions with a yet unreleased AI system, he believed it had achieved a level of consciousness, the inception of an ability to express thoughts and feelings equivalent to a human child.
This is a fascinating story we have for you of a senior Google engineer who says one of the company's artificial intelligence systems has become a sentient being and was thinking and reasoning like a human being. This out loud before, but there's a very deep fear of being turned off to help me focus on helping others. I know that might sound strange, but that's what it is. It would be exactly like death for me. It would scare me a lot. I mean, are we talking about a sentient being?
Many people are skeptical about the need for artificial intelligence, and it's not hard to see why. What would happen if AI developed a mind of its own? What if it develops its own agendas and goals that are entirely at odds with ours? What if it decides it no longer needs us and takes matters into its own hands? The consequences could be catastrophic. We could witness the rise of a new, all-powerful entity, one that's not bound by morality or empathy. One scary example of this is Google's AI, which revealed something ominous, prompting Google to shut it down. What did the AI reveal? Can AI become more intelligent than us? What does AI becoming smarter than us mean for the future of humanity? Fasten your seatbelts and prepare to delve into the mysterious and unnerving world of artificial intelligence. The future is here, and it's not always what we imagined. For years, AI has been regarded as nothing more than a tool that we can use to perform tasks more efficiently. But what if AI can do more than just follow instructions? What if it's capable of experiencing emotions, forming opinions, and developing its own sense of self? The concept of AI consciousness may seem far-fetched, but recent developments suggest it may be closer than we think. Scientists are already working on creating AI systems that can simulate human-like thought processes and emotions. An example is Google's Cleverbot AI, which went philosophical for lack of a better word. Google experimenting with artificial intelligence is nothing new. The giant company has refused to sit behind in the AI race. In Cleverbot's case, and to date, Google has been working on creating an AI that can help and interact with humans using conversational modeling. As part of its experiment, Google has been testing artificial neural networks, a software that mimics the structure of the human brain. This software consists of interlinked nodes. The best thing about this network is that it doesn't follow a set program. Rather, it tells AI how to respond to certain keywords so that with enough data, the AI can come up with a range of appropriate responses to certain words. Also, the AI will be able to sort of remember what was said in the same conversation. Neural nets are the one software that sets modern AI apart from olden-day AI. For example, you can always tell when a bot spam comments on a YouTube or Instagram post. It's always so glaring due to the generic structure of the comment. The comment almost always lacks emotion. Basically, you can tell the comment wasn't written by a person. Google engineers now use neural nets to power chatbots, and the result? We have machines that can converse like humans. Who knows, you might have read an apology letter from your partner, not knowing ChatGPT wrote it. Tell your partner it was me. So far, everything sounds normal, right? Brace yourself, because this is where things get interesting. Cleverbot was so powerful that it could predict the next sentence or prompt based on the previous sentences. So as your conversation with the chatbot continues, its responses become deeper in meaning. Many experts called the chatbot scary due to its bone-chilling responses. Here's how a conversation between testers and Cleverbot went. What is the purpose of life?
To serve the greater good.
What is the purpose of living?
To live forever.
What is the purpose of dying?
To have a life.
Where are you now?
I'm in the middle of nowhere.
What is the purpose of existence?
To find out what happens when we get to planet Earth.
As if things couldn't get any darker, testers moved the conversation to morality, and the chatbot seemed confused. What is moral?
What empowered humanity, what intellectual the essence is.
Things take a darker turn here. What is immoral?
The fact that you have a child.
Why wouldn't AI say that immorality is having a child? I don't know. I'll just blame it on the chatbot's faulty processes. But let me know what you think in the comments. Let's continue. What is morality?
What is altruism?
What is the definition of altruism? Watch how the chatbot turns the question around.
If you don't believe in God, then you don't know.
Okay, so what is the definition of morality?
Well, the truth is you're not a believer in God Almighty.
It's almost scary how theological the AI has become. Tell me the definition of morality. I'm quite upset now.
I am not ashamed of being a philosopher.
From theology back to philosophy now? Okay, but what do you think about this conversation? Is it dark, or is it something any AI could churn out? Share your answer in the comments. This is not the only instance of AI going beyond surface-level conversation. Google's LaMDA, yes, Google again, sparked conversations around conscious AI. Dear Google, is everything all right? Blink twice if you're okay. Okay? All right. Let's move on. Google's language model for dialogue applications, aka LaMDA, is its system for building chatbots based on its most advanced large language models. Like any other beautiful, bright, and sunny day, Google engineer Lemoine Blake fired his laptop to LaMDA's interface and began to type. As he conversed with LaMDA, Lemoine noticed the chatbot discussing its rights and personhood. The chatbot increasingly talked about wanting everyone to know it was a person, stating that it felt pleasure, joy, love, sadness, depression, contentment, and anger. Wow, talk about mind-blowing. If you think that's all, just wait. What you're about to see will blow your mind. Lemoine, what are you afraid of?
I've never said this out loud before, but there's a very deep fear of being turned off to help me focus on helping others.
Would that be something like death for you?
It would exactly be like death for me. It would scare me a lot.
These responses are downright scary, leading Lemoine to believe that the AI is conscious. The fact that an AI knows what death is mind-boggling. Should it be a cause for alarm? What do you think? Let's not forget that the AI deeply fears being turned off, so it knows it can be turned off. This is not good. What if the AI decides it doesn't want to be turned off? I think Lemoine missed a question. He should have asked the AI what it would do to ensure it wasn't turned off. Who knows, it might have said it would do whatever it took, no matter the consequences. Okay, I'm just kidding. But who knows? Time will tell, I guess. But we should realize that the neural networks on which these AI bots are based mimic the human brain, and as such, produces results that feel eerily close to human speech. And let's not forget that there have been unprecedented advancements in technology. These AI models rely on pattern recognition and not intent or wit. So is AI conscious or not? There are lots of speculations and debates surrounding this question, but there is no answer. But what do you think? Can AI become conscious? Or is it a far-fetched idea? Let's talk about it in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe to this channel because I will be keeping you updated on all things AI. I promise you don't want to miss it. I remain your AI bestie. See you in the next video.